Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best roller stands is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools a woodworker can have in their shop, offering crucial support for long, heavy, or awkward materials like sheet goods, lumber, and even finished projects, ensuring smooth and safe operation during cutting, assembly, or finishing processes, and ultimately saving you time, effort, and potential frustration. Number 5. Rockwell RK9034 JawStand XP Work Support Stand. The micro height adjustment knob lets you position your project exactly where you need it. This ensures perfect alignment for fastening or installation. Rubber grip surfaces hold your project firmly without leaving marks. This protects your materials while ensuring a secure hold. The tripod base features non-slip, non-mar feet. It stays stable even on uneven ground and under heavy loads. When you're ready to move your project, the low-friction surface allows for a smooth release. It slides out easily without snagging. Swiveling and tilting head clamps adjust from 0 to 90 degrees. This allows you to set the perfect orientation for your work. A bubble level is built right in for easy leveling. Ensure your installations, like hanging bookshelves, are perfectly straight. What we like. This stand offers incredibly precise adjustments for perfect positioning. Its swiveling and tilting head clamps allow for versatile angles, and a built-in bubble level ensures accuracy. If you need to make very fine adjustments or work on angled pieces, this is the stand for you. What people say. The roller stands are sturdy and well-built, providing a stable base for woodworking projects. The adjustable height feature allows for easy customization to match different workbench heights. The smooth rolling casters make it easy to move the stands around the workshop. Number 4. WORKPRO Folding Roller Stand. Introducing the WORKPRO Folding Roller Stand, your reliable partner for woodworking projects. It offers exceptional stability and support for your materials. This stand boasts a heavy-duty load capacity of 250 pounds, ensuring it can handle even your most demanding tasks with ease. Achieve the perfect working height with its adjustable range, from 27 to 43 inches. This allows for comfortable and ergonomic operation. Featuring highly visible edge guides, it effectively keeps your work securely in place. This enhances precision and safety during operation. Don't worry about uneven floors. Its eccentric foot design provides excellent stabilization, keeping it steady no matter the surface. When you're done, its portable and lightweight design folds up for convenient storage. Take it anywhere or store it away with minimal effort. What we like. This roller stand provides a wide range of height adjustments and features highly visible edge guides for secure material handling. Its portable and folding design makes storage easy. If you need a versatile stand that's easy to move and store, and offers clear guidance for your materials, this is a great choice. What people say. The roller stands are sturdy and well-built, providing a stable platform for supporting long pieces of lumber. The height adjustment mechanism is smooth and easy to use, allowing for quick setup and precise alignment with the workbench. The rollers themselves turn smoothly, reducing friction and making it effortless to feed material through the saw or planer. Number 3. XFasten Double-Sided Woodworking Tape, 3-pack. Introducing the ultimate double-sided tape, meticulously crafted in collaboration with professional woodworkers. It's designed to meet the demanding needs of your craft. Experience powerful adhesion for all your woodworking tasks, from splicing to routing. Best of all, it removes cleanly without damaging your wood surfaces. Its cloth backing resists curling, ensuring easy handling and a smooth application. This significantly cuts down on setup time for templates and projects. The silicone-based adhesive provides stability while ensuring residue-free removal. This protects even delicate wood surfaces, empowering you to create neat, professional results. With its optimal thickness, this tape applies and peels off easily. It won't lift, chip, or mar your wood, making it an essential accessory for every craftsman. Perfect for woodworking templates, mounting boards, and edge banding. It's also great as a general-purpose double-sided tape for arts and crafts. What we like. This tape offers strong adhesion for various woodworking tasks but removes cleanly without damaging surfaces. It's designed with input from professional woodworkers for optimal performance. If you're looking for a reliable tape that won't leave residue and is specifically tailored for woodworking applications, this is an excellent option. What people say. The roller stands are very sturdy and well built, making them a great addition to any woodworking shop. I appreciate the adjustable height feature, which allows me to set the rollers at the perfect height for different tasks. The smooth rolling action of the stands makes it easy to feed long pieces of wood through my table saw. Number 2. BORA PM 5093 Roller Stand. Introducing the BORA PM 5093 Roller Stand, your ultimate workshop companion. It offers 3 distinct support types to perfectly suit any project. This stand is fully adjustable, ranging from 27 to 43 to 34 inches. This flexibility makes it ideal for a variety of tools like table saws and band saws. With an impressive 300 pounds capacity, it's built to handle heavy materials with ease. Its stable design and non-slip feet ensure safety and reliability. Designed for convenience, it folds away easily for storage and transport. Setting up and moving this stand around your workspace is a breeze. It features an 11 1/4 polished steel roller and 6 multi-directional ball rollers. This allows it to handle any feeding application or provide steady, stationary support. This stand serves as an excellent outfeed extension for your table saw. It provides the stable support you need for precise woodworking. What we like. This roller stand offers exceptional versatility with multiple support options, including ball bearing rollers, and boasts a high weight capacity. Its sturdy A-frame design ensures stability. If you need a robust stand that can adapt to different tasks and handle heavy materials, this is a top contender. What people say. The roller stands are sturdy and well built, providing excellent stability for woodworking projects. The adjustable height feature is incredibly useful, allowing for precise alignment with different tools and work surfaces. The smooth rolling action of the ball bearings makes it easy to move heavy lumber around the workshop. Number 1. BORA Adjustable Height Roller Stand. Introducing the ultimate portable support for your workshop. This versatile roller support is designed to assist you with material feeding in various tasks around your shop. Achieve the perfect working height with its fully adjustable design. It easily adapts from 27 to 43 to 34 inches, making it ideal for a wide range of saws. Don't let its portability fool you. This stand boasts an impressive 200 pounds capacity, ensuring it can handle heavy materials with unwavering stability, all thanks to its tough finish and non-slip feet. Experience effortless material handling with the premium 11 to 1/4 inch polished steel roller. It ensures smooth and consistent feeding, making your workflow more efficient. When you're done, it conveniently folds away. Its compact folded size makes storage incredibly easy, saving you valuable space in your workshop. What we like. This roller stand features a premium polished steel roller for exceptionally smooth material feeding. It's designed to be portable for use throughout your shop and folds away easily for convenient storage. If you prioritize smooth material flow and need a portable, easy-to-store support for your table or miter saw, this is an ideal solution. What people say. The roller stand is very sturdy and stable, even when supporting heavy lumber. The height adjustment is smooth and easy, allowing for precise alignment with my table saw. The rollers are smooth and turn easily, making it simple to feed long boards through my tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.